Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. This pattern is so easy, and I'm going to try to do a little bit better on this one. And if you'll take a screenshot of that right there, I'm going to take the ellipse tool, but I'm going to pick the arc that's set on 270 degrees. I am going to hold down the control button. And what that did, that gave me a 90-degree arc. I'm going to go and make it like 36 points, go up to object, convert the outline to an object. I'm going to left click, right click. Now Control D while getting your two-sided arrow and do that. But then you have to grab that node and have it snap to there. Now Control D again, get your two-sided arrow and do that. Now it's not a group, but it's still kind of grouped together. So you can do that right there. I'm going to group that together. I'm going to hit P to put it in the center of the page. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate, and I'm going to rotate it 45 degrees. Now I'm going to group this all together so I can get it out of the way in a minute. And I just have to cut basically 3 lines. I'm going to cut with my virtual segment delete key. So this one will be going over, and then this section will be going under and underneath that one. So we're going to take our Smart Fill tool. I'm going to use a different color. I'm going to use that turquoise to see if it'll get me a better color. That's all you've got to do. Now let's move this out of the way. Now, these are 2 separate entities. So we're going to get the interactive fill tool, and I'm going to put a little black, maybe not quite so much, and bring the turquoise down a little bit, and then try to kind of mimic the same thing to make it look like it's going underneath there. And you can spend a lot of time on that. Now, Control G, Control D, and because we're working at the center of the page, I'm going to use my macro alternate C to have it rotate, and I'm going to rotate it 45 degrees. And see that blank piece is behind the other pieces, so there's no overlap. Now let's bring the black box into this, and it really shows off with that turquoise. It shows the depth. And I got some lines there, and you could either put them in turquoise and make them show out a little bit, or make them black, or have no line whatsoever, and you still got a little bit of a line. It's just a separation when you smart fill it, it's overlapping, but still pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.